turkey slaying time. Time to get up.
What?
You ready? Ready to go get a turkey? Let me see you.
You
You
have
ready?
it on?
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Give me a thumbs up. What's up?
What's up? Ready to go?
Ready to roll?
Yep.
You just pulling too?
No, I've been here since 3 o'clock this morning.
Yeah, no.
It's pretty here. Oh, 4:30.
Yeah.
Who's that back there? Is that T-Dog? What's up, dude? Ready to rock and roll? You get enough sleep? Oh, good. I didn't sleep at all.
Me either.
I toss and turn. Too excited. Too excited.
I'm surprised you didn't fall asleep in the car ride here.
Ooh.
He's been ready to go.
Yeah. Ready for a donut? Yeah. All right.
Alright guys, good morning. Happy opening day of turkey season. It feels like muzzleloader season for deer, but it's about 30 degrees. There's snow on the ground. Got the heater going. It's opening day of turkey season. Who would have guessed? But we're excited to be out. It's just about 7 o'clock and we got sounds about like 5 turkeys gobbling away around us. So Darren's out for his first opener and we're just gonna enjoy the morning, try to stay warm. So we'll see what happens, guys. Stay tuned. It's been pretty quiet. We just had a hunter walk by a little bit ago and then we actually just had 2 hens show up. So it's 10 o'clock, the sun's getting a little bit higher. It feels like it's getting maybe a little bit warmer out, so hopefully some things pick up. We thought the hens were gonna come right down here in front of us, but they kind of just hung out about 60 yards or so, 50 yards, and carried on. So pretty cool to at least see something right there.
Yeah.
So we're gonna hang tight for a few more hours, I think, have lunch and kind of just see what happens and go from there. So I don't know yet.
Let's get him.
It's too bad. Big Tom, dude, big beard. I know. He's getting in a range. Just turned into a wild hunt, as you guys saw. I mean, we sat here and filmed them. Gosh, it's been 20, 25 minutes. These two birds have been out here in the middle of this field just strutting away, just putting on a beautiful show for the opener. Let's try to pull another double in the same spot, 2016.
Hasn't worked out
and
yet.
It hasn't worked out yet. We had our chance again, but that's all right. We got a bird down.
Could have been shaking too much. I don't know.
I busted my hand somehow. I'm bleeding all over the place.
I was in trouble in fish.
Oh, Theron. These toms are down here. We got hens right here, and he's got to pee.
He's gonna go potty.
And he can't hold it. He's doing the pee-pee dance. I said, all right, dude, you're peeing straight down right here before these two birds down there that we think are toms show up. So he peed right here in this puddle. And then halfway through, he said, I can't stand up anymore. My legs are shaking. I'm going to fall over. I got these toms right here, so I kind of slowly help him sit down. 3 for 3 when Theron's out turkey hunting with us. We get a bird down, so turkey whisperer.
Yeah. Yes, I know. Holy crap.
Holy crap. Little beard on him.
Wow.
Nice spurs. A little hook to him.
That blood.
All right, guys, here he is. Nice turkey, nice tom, opening day, Michigan opener. And got my dad here, Theron. So you guys saw a couple toms coming in, strutting, put on quite the show for us this morning. So super blessed to have this bird down. It's a pretty nice bird, about a 9-inch beard, 9.5-inch beard, and probably an inch or just a little bit more than an inch spurs. So pretty pumped. Missed the double, but we got one down. We're gonna hop back in the blind for a couple more hours. It's 11:30 right now, and see if we can maybe get another chance at another one. What do you guys think? Cool?
Oh yeah.
Good, Theron? Have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.
Thanks.